Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Accessibility section. This is Give Links Meaning by using descriptive link text. Screen reader users have different options for what type of content their device reads. This includes skipping to or over landmark elements, jumping to the main content, or getting a page summary from the headings. Another option is to only hear the links available on a page. Screen readers do this by reading the link text, or what's between the anchor tags. Having a list of click here or read more links isn't helpful. Instead, you should use brief but descriptive text within the A tags to provide more meaning for these users. So this is something I didn't know for the longest time, but also very important. Giving your links a description for those with screen readers is highly beneficial so they don't have to look through all your content for your links. So the link text that CamperCat is using is not very descriptive. Without the surrounding context, move the anchor tags so they wrap around the text information about batteries instead of click here. So if we just move this a little bit this way, and we look for, here's that anchor tag. Let's zoom out a little. Okay, so we want to move the anchor A tags, that's this one here, so that instead of being around click here, we want them to wrap around the text information about the batteries. So cut that, and we want where's information about the batteries. So we paste there, and we take our closing X and we do it before the P, since the P wraps around the whole paragraph, and we only want information about batteries to be linked. We go down and we see that information about batteries is now highlighted. If we were to undo this real quick, just so you guys can see, before it was over here, click here, which is what I would do for the longest time, but it's not very descriptive. So again, we take that, we paste it information about the batteries, and then we take our closing and we do it inside our paragraph. And again, there it is, information about batteries. Run test, and we did pass. So the important thing here to learn is whenever linking anywhere, it's most beneficial to wrap your anchor tag around meaningful text. That text that's going to provide meaning for these users using screen readers. As long as you're understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.